Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Siesta Coleman here. So before we get into our 1 hour cleaning video, I hit the gym first. So this year I decided I want to lose an extra 10 to 15 pounds. I was able to lose like about 12 pounds last year. I was currently at 137, and over the holidays I gained a couple more weight. Alexa, start an hour timer. So I was saying I gained about like 5 to 7 pounds over the holidays, and I really want to bring that back down. So I'm going to concentrate on trying to lose 10 to 15 pounds before my birthday, which is May. I picked May because I also graduate with my bachelor's degree, and I vision myself wearing some type of dress that is tight to the body, and I don't want my fupa hanging out. So I would really love to wear a dress with my cap and gown. And that is my motivation to lose hopefully that 10 to 15 pounds. So why did I choose an hour to clean the house? I feel like that's a great time to clean the house within an hour, and putting that hour makes me move faster because I feel like I move like a snail when I'm cleaning. So an hour would really help me. And on top of that, all my kids started back in sports. So me and my husband are rarely home trying to maneuver these kids around. And my daughters practice almost 4 times a week, 3 hours a day. So it's a lot. So I'm trying to maintain my time, making sure that I do all my homeworks on time, turn it in, and I have lots of paper due this semester. I am taking 4 classes. So, if you guys are new, welcome. I am Tessa Coleman. I'm 33 years old, and on this channel, we do lots of cleaning motivation, a lifestyle, and budgeting. I am on a journey on trying to become a millionaire, and my youngest graduates college when I'm 52. So, I would really love to retire at the age of 52. So, on top of being a mother, being a wife, and going to school, I also do our family budget. I try to keep up with it. And me and my husband are trying to get our finances in order. So, I do share some finances here on my YouTube channel. So if you guys like those kind of content, please consider subscribing. It'll really help my channel out. And we are 40 subscribers away from meeting one of the monetization, which is 1,000 subscribers. So I'm pretty excited.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately. And I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy. 'Cause all I really, really want is to be with you. And I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh no, I don't wanna be the one with answers, because I sure don't wanna know which girl you choose. And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered, we're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, 'cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's deceiving. Why, oh why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends.
So I managed to finish the living room and the kitchen, and here I am having a little bit more time to do laundry. I think by the time I made it into the laundry room, I only have about 10 minutes left. So I was able to do a load and move back into the hallway and the kitchen, just making sure I pick up everything that was on the ground that I missed. So we are nearing the end of our 1 hour clean with me. This was so fun to do. I am going to do a series of a 1 hour clean with me, and I just want to see how fast I could clean my house within an hour. I have a 4 bedroom house, and it comes with a media room, a playroom, and a dining room. So I have lots of places that I gotta keep clean, and now my kids are starting to do their own chores, which is cleaning their rooms. So that's been really easy. I try to keep up with their room too, making sure that they clean it right. So also once a month I go in there and tidy up whatever that needs to be done. And also we are Navy veterans, so my husband started Wednesday field day with my son. So that's been really helpful. He cleans really well until my husband is satisfied the way it's clean. So that is really good. My girls are really good in cleaning their room. I myself just gotta step away and let them do their thing. So this is the final I was managed to do. I cleaned the living room, the dining, not the dining room, the nook area and the kitchen, and then 1 load of laundry. So I am very proud of myself. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.